Hi, I have an AEG Lavamat Turbo 14710 and want to turn the beeps off. Is it possible, please?
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years. And currently work for a well-known manufacturer. Sorry, this isn't going to be the news you want to hear, but the model you have cannot be turned off. To be honest, I don't think many AEG washers can have the beeps turned off, I'm afraid. It's the more modern washers that can do this, and still there isn't many that can do it. I'm afraid you cannot do it on your washer, sorry. If you need any more info, just get back to me. Please, when you are rating, rate the answer and not the fact it cannot be done, as I cannot help that. I'm afraid I can only advise you on this. It cannot be done, sorry, regards.
I did previously turn the beeps off but can't remember how I did it. The machine was recently sent for repair due to my wife washing a rug that blocked all the pipes and filters. It was taken away for repair, and since being returned I have the beeps back again. It is possible, but I wish I could remember how. I seem to think that I had to hold two buttons down. I'm tempted to try different combinations of buttons, but a bit worried I might cause a bigger problem than just living to the beeps. What do you think?
Hi, okay, can you post the product number, please? It will be on a sticker on the inside of the door and will start with a 9. But you need to prefix it with an A, otherwise it will get crossed out. AEG A912345678. Regards.
Thanks, Daniel. Product number A9146191100. Many thanks.
Hi, okay, this number brings up a different model number from the one you listed first. It gives L14700 VEET. Now this model you can turn off the beeps like you did prep time. To do this, you need to press and hold the start button and the drying time button at the same time, and that will turn the beeps off. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.